feeling like the world is racing ahead while you are stuck in the starting line of your career? You are not alone. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful steps to kickstart your career. Stay ahead of the curve and achieve more than you ever imagined. Ready to take control of your future? Let's get dive in. The first step will be start your preparation early. Remember, preparation is the key to success. Here is how we can get started. When you start preparation, first you have to do self-assessment. The first step to building a successful career is understanding yourself, your strengths, your weakness, and your passions. Why it is important? Because clarity is power. Self-assessment helps you uncover what you are naturally good at, where you can improve, and what excites you the most. This knowledge is your compass for making smart career decisions. To make this easier, I have shared a link to a personal test tool in the description below. It's quick, easy, and give you a clear picture of who you are and where you can excel. Next is research your industry. First, deep dive into the latest industry trends. What skills are in demand? Platforms like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and industry blogs are gold mines for this information. Right now, industries like IT, healthcare, e-commerce, and renewable energy are offering abundant opportunities. Tailor your resume. Your resume is your ticket to an interview. Is your resume catching employers' attention or getting lost in the pile? Here is the secret. Tailor your resume to each job like pro. Study the job description closely. What keywords, skills, and responsibility stand out. Write them down and weave them seamlessly into your resume. Highlight your unique skills, problem-solving abilities, and achievements. Let me give you the pro tip. Speak the employer's language. Use their tones to mirror exactly what they are looking for. Keep it concise, targeted, and impactful for every application. The tailored resume does not just tell your story, it shows why you are the perfect fit. In the description, I have shared a link of International Standard Resume Template. Please refer to that one. Practice interview. Mock interview can build your confidence. Remember, every interaction is just an opportunity to make an impression. Prepare answers for common questions. Practice aloud, whether it is in front of your mirror, with a friend, or just using AI tools. Hearing yourself help you refine and polish for your responses. If you are interested in learning how to conduct mock interview, let me know in the comments. I'll create a step-by-step video to make this interview simple and effective. Set a clear goal. Set clear career goal. Set a clear timeline for starting your professional career, such as securing a job within 1 or 3 months, depending on your preparation and opportunity. Did you know the IT sector in India projected to experience 15 to 20% growth in the job opportunities in 2025, powered by AI, cybersecurity, and emerging technologies? Step 2. Once you complete your step 1, in step 2, you may face some challenges and how to overcome them. Challenges in your job search are inevitable, but every challenge comes with a solution. Let's break down. Challenge one, lack of experience. If you don't have the right background, don't worry. Start small, take internship, freelance gigs, or even voluntary projects. This build your portfolio and show employers you are proactive. Step three is scale to learn before searching for a job. You must learn before you step into the job market. Arm yourself these skills. Digital literacy. Basic knowledge of tools like MS Office, Google Workspace, email etiquette, AI tools, and typing skills. Coding and data skills. Python, SQL, or even basic Excel can give you an edge. Presentation skills. Be ready to showcase your ideas clearly and confidently. Problem solving. Companies love candidates who can think on their own feet. Networking skill. It is just what you know, but who you know. Attend job fairs, webinars, and expand your connections. Do you know the fact 80% of jobs are filled through networking? So start building those relationships today. Number four, keep trying. Let me tell you something important. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of your journey. Let me tell you some truths. Every rejection is redirection. It's leading you to the right opportunity. Then number two is consistency is key. Even if you improve 1% every day, you'll be 57 times better in a year. You are not alone. Every successful professional started where you are. Stay resilient and believe in yourself. Number five, know the future trends and opportunities. India's job market is evolving. There are sectors where the most opportunities lie. IT and AI. Roles in data science, machine learning, and cybersecurity are booming. Healthcare. Demand for health tech professionals is on rise. E-commerce, logistics, supply chain, and customer support in high demand. Renewable energy. Jobs in solar and wind energy are growing rapidly. By 2025, India is expected to add over 1 million new jobs in emerging technologies. Remember, your journey may be challenging, but every step you take is a step closer to success. Prepare strategically, face challenges, keep learning, and never give up. The world is full of opportunity. Go out there and grab them. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's achieve more together. See you soon in another interesting video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.